Are you looking for the best TV antennas? In this video we will look at some of the best TV antennas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Pingbingding PBD TV Antenna. Experience crystal clear HD quality with our amplified outdoor antenna, featuring a built-in high-gain and low-noise amplifier designed to provide exceptional signal reception for up to 150 miles. Easily adjust the antenna's direction with the wireless remote control for optimal signal alignment, ensuring you never miss your favorite shows. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, our antenna ensures reliable performance all year round, making it perfect for urban and rural settings. Connect two TVs at the same time without needing a splitter or additional equipment, providing entertainment flexibility for your household. Future-proof your TV experience with the latest over-the-air broadcast technology. Once available in your area, enjoy enhanced picture quality, immersive audio, a stronger signal, richer colors, faster refresh rates, and optional internet integration for added features and a superior viewing experience. Number 2. Antennas Direct Max V Pro TV Antenna. TV antenna uses 4 patented loops with multi-directional UHF and high VHF elements to receive TV signals 70+ miles away from broadcast towers for free HDTV channels straight from the networks. Customizable antenna measures 17.4-inch HX 31.3 WX4D, easy to install on a wall or an existing mast with minimal assembly required, ideal for suburban and rural areas. Each market has TV towers located in different areas. Distance to the towers and obstructions like trees in your home's building materials will affect reception. An antenna cannot provide cable TV channels. Premium durable materials can be installed indoors, in an attic, or outdoors, on an existing mast with included hardware, or on a wall using unique steel wall bracket for low-profile installation. Number 3. Antennas Direct 8-Element Bowtie UHF Outdoor HDTV Antenna. Has a range of 70+ miles and patented, multi-directional, specially designed brackets that allow the antenna to turn in different directions to target transmitting towers. Bowtie antenna measures 36.8-inch HX 50 WX10D, ideal for rural and suburban installations challenged by heavy foliage or roofing materials. Each market has TV towers located in different areas. Distance to the towers and obstructions like trees in your home's building materials will affect reception. An antenna cannot provide cable TV channels. Reflectors add forward gain and focus the antenna's power to protect incoming TV signal from interference that causes pixelation or complete loss of picture. Number 4. Antennas Direct ClearStream Max XR TV Antenna. Whole home TV antenna system with 60+ mile range comes with everything you need to cut the cord and receive free TV in HD throughout the home, broadcast straight from the networks. Powerful antenna measures 17.4-inch HX 27 WX 3.5D, installs easily with quick connect assembly, ideal for suburban and rural areas thanks to multi-directional UHF and high VHF elements for clear reception from the front and back. Each market has TV towers located in different areas. Distance to the towers and obstructions like trees in your home's building materials will affect reception. An antenna cannot provide cable TV channels. Premium durable materials to install indoors, in an attic, or outdoors. 20-inch mast has pivoting base to install on horizontal and vertical surfaces. Jolt switch lets you control when TV signals need a boost. 3-way splitter for signal on up to 3 TVs. Number 5. Antennas Direct 4 UHF Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna. Antennas Direct ClearStream 4 TV Antenna uses 4 patented loops to receive UHF signals 70+ miles away from broadcast towers and includes mast with pivoting base. Powerful antenna measures 17.4-inch HX 27.8 WX6D, premium durable materials for use indoors, in an attic, or outdoors, and ideal for suburban and rural areas. Each market has TV towers located in different areas. Distance to the towers and obstructions like trees in your home's building materials will affect reception. An antenna cannot provide cable TV channels. Reflectors add forward gain and focus antenna's power to protect incoming TV signal from interference that causes pixelation or complete loss of picture. 20-inch mast has pivoting base for installation on vertical or horizontal surfaces.